In this video, I'll show you how to create the carousel style post on Instagram. So if you've been seeing carousel style post where all the images are linked together as you swipe left and right, then let me show you how to create this post. So the post cannot be created in Instagram itself. You'll need another app, and the app is called SCRL Photo Collage Maker. So this is available on your Google Play Store and the App Store. So search for SCRL Photo Collage Maker and download that. Now once that's downloaded, you want to go ahead and open the app. Now let that load. And once it loads, go ahead and tap on Start from Scratch. Here you want to go ahead and choose a format, which will be 1 by 1, and how many sides you want. So I'll choose 3 and then create. Now this will ask you if you want to join the subscription. You can tap on the X to cancel that. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign. Choose an image from your phone library. Tap Add. Now go ahead and select the image where you want it to be. Now here you can choose background. You can change the colors. You can add different gradients and different textures. You can add different stickers. Now once you're happy with this, go ahead and tap on Next and then tap on Save. Now once you do this, this will give you the option to open in Instagram. So go ahead and tap on Open in Instagram, then open it. Now here it'll ask if you want a story, feed, or message. Now since we want to post a carousel style Instagram post, go ahead and tap on the feed. Now here choose multiple images and select the 3 image, then tap on Next. Press OK. And now, as you can see, all the images are linked. So they all look like one image. Now tap Next. And then go ahead and tap that Share. Now once that's posted, this is what your users will see. So as you can see, it's one continuous image. And there you go. That is how to create the carousel style feed post on your Instagram app. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.